What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks, and today I want to show you a strategy that you can use to trade Weltrade synthetic indices. So what we are going to be doing today is very simple. I'm going to show you the strategy. I'm going to show you everything that you need to trade this strategy profitably. So number one, I'm going to show you the time that you need to be on your charts to trade this. Number two, I'm going to show you the full setup. Number three, I'm going to show you the rules that you need to follow for you to trade with this strategy consistently and profitably. So number one, you need to understand the periods or the days that are going to be on your MT5 platform. So let me just show you here. You have these period separators that denote days, right? Let's say this is a Sunday and this is a Monday. This is just something that you need to understand because these World Trade indices can be traded 24/7. So you can start from Sunday. So as the day gets to an end here, you are going to see a clear trend on this particular strategy, right? Then what you need to understand is you want to see a consolidation going back. So what we are looking for is simple. You are looking for a flag pattern, but as soon as the day ends and as this day begins, this is where you are going to be seeing this pattern, and you are going to be entering as price comes back to retest this particular point and goes down, and you are going to be targeting the length of this flagpole, and this is the length that you're going to be targeting on this particular one. So what we want to be doing here is very simple. I want to show you this on the chart so that you guys understand what we are doing. So number one, what we are seeing on this chart is very simple. We had a very beautiful uptrend here that was leading up to the beginning of this day. As you can see, this is the period separator, this dotted line that you see. So price goes right as the day begins at this particular point. What are you seeing? You are seeing that as the day begins here, price starts to consolidate in a channel. So as price is consolidating in a channel, as you can see here, you can clearly see that price is consolidating in this channel. So what you are doing is you are just waiting for price to break out of this particular trend line here. As price breaks out and comes back to retest this order block in this area, this is where you are going to be getting your this is where you are going to be getting your trade at this particular zone, and you are going to be targeting the length of the flagpole, which is this one, the first impulse move. And this is what you are going to be targeting from the trend line up to that particular zone. As you can see that you would have gotten that move, right? And here we are trading on FlipX. So this is the FlipX one. This is an index that is offered by Weltrade, and the links to join this broker and trade these indices are in the description down below. Don't be left out. You should be trading with this broker, right? So after that, what are we doing? Price comes back, right, as we are building up to the next day. And as we are building up to the next day, you can clearly see this flag pattern that forms as the day begins, right? This is the flag pole that forms. And what are you waiting for? You are waiting for price to break out of this particular zone and come back and retest that particular area. And this is what is happened in this area. And remember, you are targeting the length of that flagpole, and if you drag this, you see that the length is going to be around this area, and you would have profited from this whole move on this particular index, right? And here we have a very clear uptrend as the day is coming to an end, and this we are doing on the M5. So this is the M5 time frame, and this is the setup. The setup is the flag formation that you see on price action charts. So as you can see, price goes right and price comes back to retest at this particular zone. So this is the zone that we want price to retest, the zone in this area, right? So price comes back, gives you this, and goes away. So there are days that you are going to not find this pattern on this particular index. Why? Because as price is going down here, we are expecting a move that goes up like this, so that we kind of accumulate orders, then we can continue with the trend. But as you can see, we did not have the flag pattern that we were so looking forward to. And on this particular day here, you can clearly see that we had that flag pattern here where price just accumulates in that flag pattern, as you can see here. So this is what you can do if you want to trade Weltrade synthetic index. So these indexes are more or less the same with the indexes that you can find on Deriv, but these ones, they offer clear setups, as you can see from these charts that I'm trying to show you. So this is what you are going to be using. So for that, we are going to be using we are going to be looking at another index, and this is the flip 2. And the flip 2, we are going to be doing almost the same thing, right? We are looking for a clear flag pattern, and in this case we did not have a clear flag pattern here. And as price goes up, as you can see here, what are we looking for? We are looking for a flag pattern that goes in the opposite direction of what is happening. So we can drag and look for clear examples, and from here you can see that we had a clear example. We had price going down, and we have this flag pattern that we are going to be trading on the flip. So this is the flip 2 that we are looking for. Price breaks and price gives you a very beautiful run to at the downside. So this price goes down here. We were looking for a consolidation up, and then you can go down, but it did not come in this area. As you can see, again, price was just consolidating in this area, and in this area down move, and we had a flag pattern here. So what are we doing? We see that price goes up and price goes up and goes down, as you can see here, but this was not sustained, so we are not looking more into that. And if you want to trade more indices, you can find them on the on the market watch here, as you can see. So let's look at this index that is called the volatility 40. So it's called FX 440, right? If you open it up here, as you can see, and we put this template, as you can see here, we want to see if we can find the same setup as we were finding on those other charts, and see if we can trade the flag pattern as we were doing, right, on the flipsies. And you can see on the volatility 40 here, which is the FX 440, you can see that price is following clear price action momentum, as you can see. So price goes up here, and what are we looking for? We're looking for a flag pattern, and this is the flag pattern that we can find in this particular area, and price continues to go up. So the pattern that we are looking for here is simple. It is a continuation pattern, so we are not looking at price changing the trend or changing direction. We are continuing with what price is doing, and we are going to be aligning ourselves with the trend of the day if it comes to that. So price goes up here. What are we looking for? Remember, we are looking for a flag pattern that is something like this, and this is the flag pattern that we are seeing at the beginning of the day. Price goes up, price comes back, and price gives us the flag pattern, right? And if you follow through, you can actually see that this is not the only time that price was giving us this price action pattern called the flag. So you can see again that here we have the same pattern, and price continues to go up. And this is what we are doing as price is moving towards our target. So you can choose any pair you want, and you can trade with this. And remember, this broker actually also have the variant to the boom and crash, and they call it the pain and gain. And as you can see here, if you move down, you can see that this is how the boom and crash moves, and this is called the gain index. And the gain index is more like the boom, and the pain is more like the crash. So you can trade these ones with these strategies, and you can actually make money. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can trade the pain and gain on Weltrade using the strategies that I'm going to show you. You on this particular broker, you have to get that account right now. The links are in the description down below. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Shocks, and I'm out.